What's up, everyone? I'm back. So what's up? I just finished doing the windshield, full windshield on the Denali. I did a 50%, which means even though you think 50% is light, it helps a lot. It's gonna let 50% of the light pass through. So basically it's gonna take a hit off that edge. When you're like days like today when the sun is shining, it's really bright outside, it's gonna just take a lot of that freaking glare off the snow and just take that away. So it'd be less strain on your eyes, you know. Now granted, I'm not gonna get into window tinting laws and stuff right now. I wanna do that in another video because I wanna set that up differently, but 50% windshield, of course, is not legal. Anything on the windshield isn't legal. And then they want you to only come, if you put a visor strip, to the AS1 line. Now, I'm not gonna say whether, I'm not gonna tell you yes or no. I'll give you my suggestions on what you should or shouldn't do, but ultimately, you wanna do what you wanna do and everyone just kinda takes it on their own. So, for the most part, people have been good. Now, I don't know if all of a sudden cops or police will start to look at my videos and pull people over right outside my house or outside my business. I don't know, but over the years, people have had really good luck with doing certain things on a windshield. So like I said, we'll get into laws in another video. But I did 50% on this, and like I said, even though it's light, it's gonna help out a lot. Okay, so now I'll show you a couple shots and you can check it out for yourself. Alright, so I know the lighting isn't the greatest in here, but we're just going to give this windshield a nice cleaning, and then we'll be able to wet the film and lay it in. Alright, so I got this windshield in. I'm going to clean it up and then I'll show you the final product in a second.